So this webcam has auto white balance, and it also supports backlight compensation as well as digital noise reduction. The viewing angle on this webcam is a horizontal 100 degrees, so that means it's a pretty wide angle webcam. So I do want to point out that the privacy cover is a soft silicone cover, so very soft, and it's gonna not scratch your lens at all. So since this is a 4K webcam, it does support HDR. As far as video resolutions it supports 1920 by 1080p at 30 Hz on USB 2.0 connection. It supports 1920 by 1080p at 60 Hz at USB 3.0 connection. And it supports the full 4K 3080/40 by 2160p at 30 Hz with the USB 3.0 connection. All right, now that I talked about some of the specs, let's take a look at the webcam itself and see what we have here. As you can see, the beautiful big lens there. You're gonna get that nice picture on your webcam. All the way on the left, you have one microphone, and then all the way on the right, you have a second microphone. In the middle there, just to the right of the lens, you have an LED that's gonna display to tell you that the webcam is on. On the bottom of the webcam, you do have a mount, so you can mount it onto a tripod or on top of your monitor. And as you can see here, it swivels around and articulates in several different directions. If we look at the bottom here, you can see where you can mount this to a tripod. Okay, now let's take a look at the back of the webcam. In the back of the webcam, you have a USB-C port where you can hook up the included USB-C to USB-A cable. So as far as power, it uses a USB 5 volt and 1 amp circuit, and the power consumption is 5 watts. In terms of the dimensions of the webcam, it is 5.5 inches by 1.29 inches by 1.77 inches. And for the weight, it's 0.06 pounds. All right, and just for comparison, we're gonna compare the WyreStorm Focus 200 to your standard Logitech C920 webcam. You get to see how much bigger the lens is on the WyreStorm Focus 200 there. So there you go, that is a comparison with the Logitech C920 on top and the Focus 200 in the bottom. Of course, the Logitech does not support 4K like the Focus 200, so the Focus 200 wins there, as you're gonna get that nice 4K webcam. So I did receive this webcam pre-release, so it's not out yet, so I don't have pricing data for you yet. But once I do have it, I will put it in the description of this video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to check it out later. And also, I will tell you where you can buy this webcam, as it is not posted yet for sale. You also want to subscribe to my channel so you can see the full review of this 4K webcam. This might be the perfect thing to add to your streaming setup. And before I leave you, I will show you a quick preview of the Focus 200 4K webcam versus the C920 Logitech webcam. So let's take a look at that now. Okay everyone, so for comparison, I have the Logitech C920 webcam hooked up right now. I'm using the mic on the C920. And so you guys can take a look and compare the two webcams, and you guys can comment down below and tell me which one you like better. So right now, take a look at the C920. You'll see that pretty much this is all it could zoom out. So this is the maximum, so this is the max viewing angle here. So pay close attention to that when I switch over to the Focus 200 4K webcam. Now let's switch over to the WyreStorm Focus 200 4K webcam, see how that looks. All right everybody, so wow, this is amazing. Look at how much more you can see with the Focus 200 webcam here. So again, this is recording in 4K and it's using the mic from the Focus 200 right now. So you can take a look, you can pretty much see all my headphone collection now. You can even see my computer here, and you can see pretty much all of my room here. It's pretty amazing at the wide 100-degree viewing angle that the Focus 200 has. And again, with the HDR support, you get improved lighting on your webcam. And another feature that this webcam has is it has dual integrated noise reduction microphones, and they also have a pickup range of about 3 meters. And this webcam is compatible with most video conference software such as Microsoft Teams, Skype, Zoom, and much more. Now another cool feature that this webcam supports is electronic pan, tilt, and zoom, and I'm going to show you that right now. We can pretty much zoom in and pan and tilt to make it look exactly like the Logitech webcam looked. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I went ahead and used the electronic pan, tilt, and zoom to get it to look just like the Logitech C920 in terms of what it captures in the viewing angle. So you tell me down in the description below, let me know which webcam you prefer. Now, one thing to note is that I don't yet have the software that comes with the WyreStorm Focus 200, since this camera hasn't even been released yet. So make sure to come back and watch the full review video so you get a comprehensive review of this webcam. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.